Hi, I'm Lindsay with PAWsitive Choices, and in today's video, we're going to be talking all about the PAWsitive Choices home curriculum. We'll explore how you can use this easy-to-use guide to teach your kids important skills, like how to solve problems, how to regulate strong emotions, how to be kind to others, and so much more. At the end of the video, Tommy Brown will be unboxing the 3 different curriculum options. Let's get started. PAWsitive Choices is a social and emotional learning curriculum for families and for schools. It uses the latest brain research to teach important social skills so families and schools can thrive. Welcome, and thank you for joining us. All right, now let's take a look at the different components of the PAWsitive Choices family curriculum. Let's begin by taking a look at the Getting Started Trifold. This is a helpful resource that tells you what the program's all about, how you can easily begin to implement it, the different aspects that come with the curriculum, and all the information you need to know to access the online digital resources. Next up is the PAWsitive Choices Home Edition curriculum book called Bear's Amazing Brain Home Edition. This is a 198-page book that explains all of the key concepts in an easy-to-use format. The book is broken down into 11 parts. The first part is an introduction for families that goes over the key concepts and general understandings. After the introduction, you arrive at Chapter 1, which is all about learning how to visualize your happy place. And from this page on, you get to sit next to your child and read all of these enriching literacy-based stories about bear, pug, mouse, and their families. Kids love the animal characters and get very invested, so when Bear learns how to regulate his emotions, the children are automatically tuned in. Each of the 10 chapters take anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes to read. So if you do 1 chapter a night with your child, in just under 2 weeks, you will have taught an entire curriculum that teaches them all the foundational skills to help them thrive. Chapter 4 is all about teaching positive choices, like how to be responsible, how to follow directions, how to be kind, and more. The chapters begin with an engaging story in which the characters are faced with a problem or a situation in which they need to learn and use new skills. Some chapters in the book make use of gestures that are based in American Sign Language. For these chapters, there's an icon to let you know that there's a video that explains how to do these gestures. Each chapter ends with a review page that goes over key questions based on the main information of each chapter. The last question on each review page is open-ended, so you can have enriching conversations with your child. Chapter 8 in the book is all about emotional regulation and what to do when you feel overwhelmed by strong emotions. Bear introduces a resource called the Glitter Brain Frame to teach his brother Junior what to do and how to understand strong feelings. This Glitter Brain Frame comes in the family curriculum pack. This is a resource that kids love to use to be able to understand what it's like when they feel in control of strong emotions and calm, and what it's like when they feel overwhelmed by strong emotions and when their brain feels all mixed up. Chapter 9 is a very popular chapter. It's about problem solving. In this chapter, Pug and his sister experience a conflict, and they go through a process in which they can reflect on what happened, what they can do better next time, and how to repair with one another after they have an issue. Pug teaches his sister how to use something called a problem-solving reflection. This is a powerful tool that kids use at home and also that's being used in schools. Because this problem-solving reflection is such a powerful tool, we include a printed copy in the curriculum. At the end of each chapter is a learning resource poster. It's explained on the chapter activity page, and it gives you an idea of how you could use this with your child. You can download these online resources on the website using the online access code that's located in the trifold. These learning resource posters include things like a How Do You Feel chart to help build emotional literacy and to provide a conversation for you to have with your child about feelings. There is a Calming Breaths poster that you can have in an area such as a brain break kit or even on the refrigerator, so you can give your child a tool to use. There are also PAWsitive Choices magnets, and these magnets actually appear in the book, so you can use these as well. As children learn the different concepts, they can pick a learning resource and have it in a place such as the refrigerator as an easy thing to reference. There are also PAWsitive Choices stickers. There's a sticker that has mouse on it that says, use problem-solving powers. There's another with Bear that says take brain breaks. And finally, there's a sticker with Pug that says use positive self-talk. There are also social story stick puppets, and these are stick puppets of the characters. There are the printed pages that have the characters as well as popsicle sticks. All you have to do is cut them out and tape them on. You can use these with your child to go over different social story scenarios. In addition to the various physical products, there are also a variety of webinars and online resources that we'll look into now. Let's turn it over to Tommy Brown as he unboxes each of the curriculum options and explores the webinar and digital options as well.
I know YouTube video unboxings are really popular, but the next big thing is unbaggings. There are 3 different options for family curriculum. First, we're going to look at the basic pack for families. The basic pack comes with the Getting Started guide, as well as Bear's Amazing Brain Home Edition, the PAWsitive Choices Glitter Brain, as well as a problem-solving reflection sheet, and a dry erase marker and an eraser. In addition to the physical resources, you also get a digital access code, which you can find in the trifold back page. The digital access code gets you access to educational videos, tutorials, activities, and downloadable PDF resources. You also get a 1-hour webinar that explains the program in depth. The second option is the standard pack for families. This option comes with everything from the basic pack for families, as well as all of the family resource posters. This pack also comes with 2 PAWsitive Choices magnets. You'll also receive access to 3 online webinars. These webinars go into depth on problem solving, goal setting, and emotional regulation. The third option is the premium pack for families. The premium pack for families comes with everything from the standard pack, as well as PAWsitive Choices stickers and a social story stick puppet kit, which comes with all of the characters from each of the families in the book. Here's what the assembled kit looks like. The premium pack for families comes with access to 6 online webinars. All 6 webinars are 1 hour and dive deeper into every topic of the book. You can purchase the family packs on our website. Go to pawsitivechoices.com/store, or you can click the link in the description below.
We hope you've enjoyed learning all about the PAWsitive Choices Home Edition curriculum. There's also a school edition, and both of these products can be found on our website at pawsitivechoices.com/store. There are a variety of free resources that can also be found at pawsitivechoices.com/freebies. Again, thank you for watching, and as always, we hope you have a great day and that you stay positive.